Welcome back, guys. Joubert here. Listen, today I'm going to talk about landscaping. All right, if you know someone with a landscaping business, either to start one or they have one for a long time and they're trying to figure out how to run it, this video is for them. I'm going to talk about step-by-step strategy on how to automate your landscaping business, and I'm going to give you two strategies that I don't hear anybody talks about. Okay, but before we start, I gotta ask landscaping business owners a question. Are you running an actual business or you just running around? Because I found that most landscapers, they don't lose money from bad work. They lose money from bad system. Think about it. You get leads, but you don't follow up fast enough. You quote jobs and people ghost you. Your crew shows up, but the customer forgot the appointment. You finish a great job and never get a review. And referrals, you rely on luck. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to use HighLevel to run your landscaping business like a real machine. Even if you're not technical, you're busy on the job site all day, you don't have an office team, you're tired of chasing leads and putting out fires, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up lead capture that books quotes automatically, instant follow-up so you stop losing deals, quotings and pipeline tracking, automated reviews so you rank higher on Google, and like I mentioned earlier, two strategies that I don't hear nobody talks about that I think can help you change everything in your business. So let's get the ball rolling. Let's get started. The real problem in landscaping isn't leads, it's leakage. So what do I mean by that? Most landscaping business have the same situation. They're buying leads from Facebook groups, Google's, Home Advisor, Angie List. They might have some people that send referrals to them. You know, they got a couple yard signs out. What else? Word of mouth, right? And guess what's happening? There's still a problem here. You don't have a system to turn that interest into book jobs. So people leak out like a hole in a bucket, and I think HighLevel can be that tool that patch the holes and put systems in place. So let's start with system number one. Turn every lead into a book quote. So what do I mean by that? The moment someone fill out a form, message you, or call you, you can have HighLevel instantly respond with a text like, "Hey John, got your request for landscaping, want to look and a free quote. Here's my schedule." Boom, right there and then, you got your calendar link inside, and this literally booked the appointment. So most landscapers, they respond too late. And the fastest person that respond win. And because HighLevel create automations, you can have automatic email goes out immediately, follow up in 10 minutes, then again the next day, then a final follow up saying, "Hey, do you still want this?" And guess what? You don't have to remember any of it. This is how you stop losing easy money in your business. Let's talk system number two, right? Quote scheduling. If you're still doing this tomorrow at 3, no, how about Friday at 6? Maybe, I'll let you know. You're wasting time. Use HighLevel. It helps you build a simple booking calendar, 15-minute quote calls, on-site estimate slots, right? Spring cleanup quote days, even emergency same-day requests. So now clients pick a time, your schedule stays clean, and you get less ghosting because the booking confirmation plus reminders is automated. System number 3, one inbox for every message so you don't miss a job, right? To me, that's a really big one. Use HighLevel as your conversation tab where you can manage text, email, Facebook messages, Instagram DMs, right? Website chat. So you have everything in one place. So if somebody contact you guys, you're not juggling a bunch of different phone, text, different apps. It's just too much. It gets overwhelming, right? Because now you don't need to worry about all that. You don't need to worry about, okay, well, where's the business text? Where's the DMs? Where's the voicemail? Everything is in one inbox and no more random emails. All right? So that will allow you to never miss a hot lead again. System number 4, build a simple sales pipeline. So what do I mean by that? Most landscaping owners, they don't know where leads are in the process, right? You can use HighLevel as your dashboard and you can create a pipeline. New leads come in, quote schedule, quote sent, follow-up needed, you win the bid, you lost, right? Now you can see who needs a follow-up today, who needs a follow-up next week, who hasn't booked yet, who opened your estimate but didn't respond. This is how you stop guessing and really start selling and growing your business. System number 5, automatic Google reviews. So you can rank higher on Google and get more clients, right? Landscaping is a local business. That means Google reviews are everything. You can use HighLevel to let you automate review requests like, hey John, glad we got your yard cleaned up. Would you mind leaving a quick review? It helps us a lot. With a direct link to your Google business profile, and here's what it does. More reviews, better ranking, more calls, higher paying jobs. This is your engine for consistent growth, okay? I'll give you guys an example, right? Let's say you offer, landscaping business. They offer lawn care, mulching, cleanups, trimming, hardscaping. A lead comes from your website at 8:47 p.m. Normally you'll see that the next day, but using HighLevel, they can instantly respond to that. And then guess what? The lead books a quote for tomorrow, then they get reminders. You show up, you send the estimate, okay? And if they don't respond, your follow-up sequence kicks in automatically. You're not gonna lose that deal, right? Now you're not chasing. You have a system working for you. All right, I wanna give y'all 2 creative strategies that I don't hear anybody talks about. And I think that can really allow you to stand apart from everyone else. Strategy number 1, seasonal upsell automation. Get paid more per customer without more leads. So most landscapers, they're undercharged because they treat every job like a one-time thing. Here's the smarter move. You set up seasonal campaign inside HighLevel. So like for example, spring, you got spring cleanup plus fresh mulch packages. Summer, weekly lawn care slots open. Fall, leaf cleanup plus gutter clearing. Winter, snow removal, holiday lighting if you offer that. HighLevel can automatically text and email past customers like, hey John, we're booking spring cleanup this week. Want to grab a slot before we're full? This turns your past customers into current customers. No ads, no backing, just really smart timing and system. I'll give you a second strategy. Instant quote screening. This one is, landscaper waste hours quoting people that aren't serious. They don't have budget, they want free advice, right? And they're price shopping. So instead of just book a quote, you create a simple form inside HighLevel, like what service do you need? What's your address? How big is the yard? When are you looking to start? Budget range. Upload a photo of the yard. Now, you only show your booking calendar after they qualify. This protects your time and it positions you like a premium company. All right. Now, here's the beauty about this. You don't have to set all this up yourself. You can have a virtual assistant from our team set everything up and manage it, right? A virtual assistant, they'll respond to lead instantly. They'll confirm appointments. They'll send estimates. They'll follow up with leads. They'll manage that system you have in the back end so that everything is running smoothly. From the seasonal campaigns, so you can focus on closing bigger jobs. That's how you generate more revenue for your business, while running your crew and growing the business and improving the quality of service that you offer. So that also allows you to scale without burning out. All right. Now listen, if you like this type of content, you like this video, you want to take advantage of this system because you don't have one set up right now, I have a 30-day free trial in the link right here in the comment. Click on that, take advantage of that 30-day free trial of HighLevel, and book a free strategy call so that our VA team can not only set up these systems, but they can manage it for you in the back end. All right. Can't wait to see you grow and scale your landscaping business. Drop a quick comment if you like this video. Share it with somebody else that you think can benefit from it. Thanks again for watching. Cheers.